Now it's time to take off this engine harness. What's up, your boy Crooks? But I know I didn't record this, but I actually pulled the engine harness off the truck. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I'm gonna, replace this old washed up washed up wire protection with some new fleece. So it could just, look better. And I'm inspecting all the terminals, make sure all the pigtails is okay. So something like this that's been done by the past owner, I want to make sure that's all right. If I have to redo it, then I'll redo it. Stuff like that. But time to dress this up. So this is how far as we gotten. Well, I've gotten so far. No, alternator wire. I still haven't inspected that pigtail, but I've done these so you can get somewhat of an idea. Still flexible. It's just reinforced, making sure wires is actually protected. Pigtails, they're still good, terminals and whatnot. Just inspecting the harness, waiting for parts to still come in from the riffraff and like a couple other places so I can finish my mods and get this truck back up and running. All right, so here's where we at. We got majority of everything separated and just dressing things up. This is okay. Good thing I checked the alternator pigtail because that's not okay at all. You don't ever you don't ever want a connection like that with your alternator or anything that's really important. But got just this little bit of loom left to remove. Still inspecting the harness. Replace these boots as well. Once I remove all this loom, tape up the thick portion of the harness, tape it up, and then get my 3/4 slide on wire protection. Slide that on, and you got a revamped wire harness. I am going to clean out some of the pigtails as best as I can without interrupting the terminals to them or trying to get them or getting them corroded in any type of way. So let's get back to it. Well, yeah, guys, just to catch you up, I got the 3/8 or 3/4 loom, wrapped it all the way up to there. Pretty much this side is all done. Next is just clean up the pigtails, wipe them up, have them look nice and fresh. I just gotta wrap up that, tape up that, wrap up that wire, and put a loom around this and we all good. Alright, so people, I haven't put my alternator terminal back on. We're gonna do that in a few, but I just wanted to show you guys. I'm all done with the harness. We got it nice and revamped. Everything redone, retaped, resealed. Nice mesh. Thinking about getting some new relays just for the fun of it. And man, I'm happy. Yes, yes, yes. And plus, the mailman came. We got tons of mods to put on. We got the glow plugs, high pressure oil lines and fittings, new oil fill, high pressure banjo bolts, the harness, well, the code delete for the AIG delete, whole bunch of O-rings, fittings, whatnot. Just waiting for the valve cover gaskets. And we on the move.